Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing doing business in Thailand. And unfortunately, there's a lot of misconceptions out there about work authorization and whether or not people need work authorization, especially as it regards certain visas. The Interior Ministry itself has come out and said, and I quote, well, it said anything, quote, that impinges upon the Thai economy, unquote, requires work authorization. Then people will often ask, well, what's the definition of work? I've done videos in the past where I get into the definition of work. It's very broad. You could argue in a way breathing is work. You know, it's basically undertaking any kind of effort can be considered work. So it's a very broad-based definition. That said, there's a lot of misconceptions out there that folks don't need a work permit, oftentimes because they're engaged in certain online businesses. If online business impinges upon the Thai economy, and that can be a pretty tenuous impingement, generally speaking, you're going to need work authorization. Now, in my opinion, for most folks, especially in many cases Americans, having a corporation in which to do business through is oftentimes the most optimal strategy under such circumstances. So the thing to take away from this video and understand is everybody's case is going to be very different. As going back to Americans may even be able to avail themselves of the provisions of the US-Thai Treaty of Amity to be able to own their companies outright, notwithstanding the provisions of the Foreign Business Act here. That said, circling back to the main premise of this video, yeah, even though you're doing business online, it does not mean that you're exempt from the need for work authorization here in Thailand. And oftentimes the most optimal way of obtaining work authorization and maintaining one's business here in Thailand is through a corporate structure that's set up in Thailand, and that then you can avail yourself of work authorization, i.e. a work permitted business visa here in the Kingdom of Thailand.